Hello guys, welcome back, and it's to your boy Audu right here again, and you all are welcome back to this channel. Yes guys, so right now I just will show you guys how you can actually make money online um on ChatGPT. And with that being said guys, without any further ado, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My 20 subscribers, welcome back. Let's get into the video on 3 ways you can actually make money online, using ChatGPT. How you can actually make cool cash for yourself using ChatGPT. With that being said guys, let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do guys is just to go to OpenAI, and or you just click on just search for in your Google Chrome, because I'm actually using Google Chrome, or you can use your any of your browser. Just search for chat.openai.com, and then you wait for it to actually load up. And it's actually loading up, give it a while. And as it is actually loading up right now, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever anyone making videos and publish to the channel. Right now guys, this is open chat GPT. It says login with your OpenAI account to continue. Is that how you sign up? Actually, if you want to actually sign up, you can click on the sign up space. Let me show you guys how you can actually sign up on ChatGPT, so you can actually be informed. First of all, you can actually continue with Google, continue with your Microsoft account, or you actually just put in your email address, and then you click on I'm not a robot. Then you just do all these traffics, and as you can see here, these are all traffic lights. I click on verify, and then you click on continue, and that's all. So literally, I I have an account, and let's just click on login right now. So it is actually going to be logging us in to our accounts. If I just put in my email address, so and let's click on continue. Oh, okay. So guys, it's actually loaded up, and I don't know, I've actually clicked it, and okay, it's loading up, it's loading up, it's loading up. All right, so it says December 15th version. Okay, so sounds good. All right, so literally this is actually Chat GPT, and you can just click on this search bar to search for anything which you want to actually do. Right now I don't want this video to be that long. Literally, let's say I'm a YouTuber in the finance niche. Okay, give me ideas for my next videos. Okay, and let's click on search, and let's see what ChatGPT would actually say. Here are a few ideas for YouTube video in the finance niche: a beginner's guide to finance. Whoa, to personal finance. Whoa, guys, as you can see, this is a whole lot, like a whole lot. It's gonna be giving you different things. Whoa, 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 whoa. Literally, as you can see here, it says a beginner's guide to personal finance. This could cover topics like budgeting, saving money, and investing. Hmm. I'll make a video in that and about this in a while, like maybe my next video or so forth. Literally guys, let me show you guys how you can actually even make money on this, because literally it's not really coming to the platform to know what it can do or not. Let's go here, let's go over to Upwork. Just click on Upwork Inc. and okay, so this is the Upwork platform, and literally we don't even need to log in, we don't need to sign up. Let's just search for script writer. Whoa, guys, the first person that actually came up is actually $75 per hour. Like, she has actually earned over $40,000 here. Whoa, guys, the next one is actually $60 and above, $50 per hour, and that's actually, it actually goes on up. Literally, let's go to Fiverr again and show you guys the same thing. Guys, if I go to different platforms, like a whole lot of platforms, you're gonna be seeing that they are all the same. Like, okay, let's even let's write it. Script writer, or let's just search for script writing. As you can see here, $100. Write your perfect YouTube video script. $100 per script. $40, $120, $50, $750 just per script. Like, literally, OpenAI ChatGPT that can actually do it for you. It can actually do it for you perfectly, even without paying a dime. Like, even without paying a dime. Now, this is the first way you can actually make this make money from ChatGPT. Please, if you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, like, share the video, please, very important, and comment down in the comment section. Tell me what you think I'm lacking behind, or tell me what you think about the video, and so on. All right, or if you have any question, you can also drop it down in the comment section. Literally, I've given you guys the first one. The second one is actually starting up your own YouTube channel. Literally, just starting up with your own YouTube channel. Now, if I go to YouTube and I search for my name, literally, you all know this channel, but let's not even jump there. Let's just go to the channel ASAP, and as you can see here, this is the channel. You can just literally create a channel and start making like cool videos, publish it on the channel, and you start making money for yourself. Literally, when you get monetized, where you have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, that's in the last 1 year, literally, and then you start making money. You monetize your all your videos, and you start making money per views, which you actually publish, which you actually get on each video. Now, for you to actually do this, you might actually create a channel, you don't know what to do, but OpenAI can actually give you script ideas, video ideas for you to actually do. Just ask OpenAI anything, literally, and it's going to actually give you ideas on how to actually make videos, and then you make money from your ads and so on. Brand deals will come in, sponsorships will come in, shout outs will come in, so on and so forth. You make money from your channel, literally. That's the second one. The third one on my list is actually starting up a blog for yourself. Literally, starting up a blog. Now, literally, we all know what a blog means. A blog is actually like a place for actually getting news, information about anything, literally, and it's actually cool because you get ads pop out on all your blogs. And when you actually want to actually start up your blog, you can actually go to open ChatGPT, OpenAI ChatGPT, and it's gonna be giving you guys ideas on subsequent topics which you want to actually do in seconds. Just ask it in seconds to actually deliver. So I give you topics and so on and so forth. So literally, this is actually my 3 ways for you to actually make money, and you can actually monetize your blog. Literally, everyone knows how to actually monetize blog. It's actually through Google AdSense. So you get paid directly through Google AdSense to your Payoneer or to your dollar account, literally. And same thing with YouTube also. When you join the YPP, which is the YouTube Partner Program, you get paid directly from AdSense to your AdSense account, and that's it. Directly from YouTube to your AdSense account. Don't forget that Google actually owns YouTube, so they're actually connected. Thank you very, very, very much for watching, and still your boy doing Audu here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share, turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever a new money making video is published to the channel. With that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.